How's it, guys? Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to another live stream today. Yeah, I want to first go over what's happening with Bitcoin and the whole market. Obviously, we had a huge pump due to CPI numbers. So basically, if we go through what happened yesterday with the CPI, it actually came in on par to the actual forecast. So what that means is the rates, they weren't expecting to, the number was actually equal to what they wanted to be. But if the actual was actually greater, so if it was like 3.5, 3.6, then we probably would have seen more of a downturn. But because it was 3.4, and the fear index was really, really low, the market actually just brought up pretty much everything. So CPI was good. Tomorrow we do have a little bit of news, and today we have unemployment claims. So unemployment claims is basically, it tells you the number of people that have filed for employment within the US. So basically, if the actual is less than the forecast and it's bullish, so we want this to be to actually be more, right? Because we want the dollar to be weak and obviously crypto to be strong. So that's today, and yeah, that's pretty much for the week. Then I did take this long for Audi. If you have a look at the chart, you can see that we broke out of this range. Actually this morning, right? So we broke out of this range this morning. We were trading within this level. It's kind of forming like a head and shoulders pattern. We just had a breakout, retest. I'm expecting quite a big pump here for Audi, 16% from the current price. So yeah, this is the setup, basically looking to target 45. Definitely something that I'm looking at for a potential long here. So we'll see how this works, but overall market looking bullish still. Rune, we bought Rune last week. I posted this in the group. The TPs for Rune are going to be, the first one is at 7.8 and then 10.4. So we did actually buy this coin last week. We are up around about 20% almost, 18.9. So that's good. Tau looks really good as well. Pretty much the whole market looks good. Solana actually recovered really, really well from yesterday. But what's important to note about Solana is, did it close above the previous day? And it did. Okay, so it closed above the previous day. So the next key level here for Solana is going to be 169 to 170. I do think that we're probably going to see another pump within today. Market's just looking really bullish. And yeah, I took out all of those short sellers, because if you have a look at the liquidation heat map, this shows us a lot of data. So basically, let's have a look at the actual data over here. We look at the map. Let's have a look here. Yeah, so you can see that we're currently at like 66, 100. can see there's a whole bunch of longs being opened here now. So here, have a look here. There's over 1 billion longs at 60,000. But look at all the shorts. Look how much, there's not many shorts anymore. So there's obviously a lot of people are all long now, or bullish. And yeah, so I do think that we're probably going to see 67K, potentially 70K, maybe. So we'll see. Market still looks good, guys. I will be probably just longing the whole day, because there are a few coins that, if you have a look at crypto bubbles as well, this is something to look at. Essentially, if you look at the daily, pretty much every coin's up more than 5 to 10%. Phantom up 24%. HBAR, Beam, whole bunch of coins are up a lot. So Solana, SEI looks really, really good. We did take a long for SEI yesterday. Yeah, look at Ton. Ton's interesting. Like, everything's kind of pumping, and then Ton's down almost 5%, which is very, very weird. Found that very strange. Yeah, Ton looks really weak, guys. Ton pretty much the only coin. And TRX. TRX, what is this? Yeah, it's strange. Bitcoin Cash looks really good. I was actually meant to longs in the breakout chat, but didn't actually end up taking it. But overall market looks really good. Ethereum, absolutely bullish. We took those longs yesterday in the live stream. So if you guys were here, we did actually take this long yesterday. Stop loss, we did take profit at 29.85, but I said 3,000 is the target. XRP, also a really nice setup yesterday. Render looks good, but you can't really trade Render on CoinW, so I don't trade this. But essentially, it's at support. It's forming this pattern here. This is interesting. I like the look of Render, yeah. I really like the look of this. It's currently at support. I'm gonna take the long there for Render. Yeah. So Render longs, I will post this in the groups, which is really good. It's really, really good. So we just took this trade, yeah. I really like the look of this. The TP is at 11. Stop loss is at just below the low is 10.49. Oh, no. Yeah, so that's the setup. Looks really, really good. Probably gonna see a bounce here. Yeah, look at the 5-minute, right? Every time we tap into the zone, we see a bounce. Bitcoin's bullish for the day. So we do want to just take longs, regardless if it's coming down. Yeah, so that's pretty much the setup. We wanna quickly look at USDT dominance, because as you all know, USDT dominance has been bullish lately, but obviously it must have broken down the chart. So let's have a look. Yeah, so look at this. So that's interesting, guys. Have a look at USDT dominance, right? So we broke below this level. So this level here was a key level, right? So we closed below on the 4 hour time frame. We're probably going to come back down to 4.57 today, which is it's going to be, there might be a bigger pump within today, especially if this chart stays like this and closes below like this. We're going to see a 4% move to the downside for USDT dominance, which is obviously going to be really bullish for crypto. So right now we are long on render, and then we're long on audio. Okay. So these two coins look really good. This is what I'm looking at for audio. With this trade, you'd use a low leverage because your TP is 16%. So, but yeah, if USDT dominance does carry on dumping like this, then we are going to see more upside for crypto today. Okay, so those are the setups. We'll see how they play out. Let's have a look at XRP because I was looking at this morning. Yeah, look at SER, crazy. But even OP looks really good here, guys. So if you look at OP, let's have a look at the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we closed back above the zone. We have the point of control at this level here. So the point of control is where the most volume has been traded for the specific range. Yeah, we're probably gonna hit that level today, 2.5. Looks really good here, guys. I'm probably gonna take a long here for OP as well. Stop loss just below the lows. This is really good. So once we get a break of this high, I'm gonna take the long for OP. Okay. Essentially, if we break this high, we're gonna be breaking these previous highs over here on the left, and then also this high over here. So only once we break this high, we'll take the long. So let's see it here. Then also I bought this coin this morning. It's called Mara. Okay, so if you look at Mara, have a look at this chart. So basically, we broke out of the range on the daily as well. We broke out of the range in the daily. I'm looking at a target of like 129% for Mara here. I think this is the last entry you're going to get before we see that massive run up. So Mara is a really good pick for this next move. You can see when Mara pumps like this, we do get massive moves. So yeah, that's my thoughts on Mara. I do think that even if you look at the daily time frame, we broke out on the daily, right? So it's breaking out of a huge pattern here, which is obviously going to play out in the higher time frame. So Mara looks really, really good, guys. Audio has been so weak. Like audio compared to every other coin. Like look at audio, it's down from pretty much at the lows since 2 weeks ago. So audio pumped very, very hard and then literally retraced at a whole move, right? So the whole upside of like 160%, that whole upside literally just got retraced. Yeah. So let's see. Yeah, overall market looked good. Randall looks good. And then Audi just waiting. We are long on Audi, we're long on Renda. So let's see how this plays out. Now look at Audi. I think Audi's gonna pump here. OP, we're waiting for OP. But yeah, overall looks good.